Veteran actor Rishi Kapoor has passed away aged 67 at HN Reliance Hospital after a 2-year battle with cancer. Father to Bollywood actor Ranbir Kapoor and designer Riddhima Kapoor, and married to his 12-time co-star Neetu Singh, Rishi Kapoor belonged to the Kapoor Khandan, a family name synonymous with the Hindi film industry, whose foundation was laid by patriarch Prithvi Raj Kapoor, one of the pioneers of Hindi cinema. Belonging to a family of great names, it takes courage to emerge from the shadows of successful uncles and parents and grandparents, and the young Rishi Kapoor managed to do just that. At the tender age of 3, he appeared in She 420, playing the younger self of lead actor and his father, Raj Kapoor. He then had a role in Mera Naam Joker, playing the young version of his father's character once again. These outings prepared him for his launch, and he debuted in Hindi films with Bobby in 1970. It was a breakout role in a story that explored teenage romance beyond barriers and became an immediate hit. The role dubbed him as the chocolate boy of Bollywood, a title he would pass on to his son Ranbir Kapoor, who followed in his parents' footsteps and is now also a successful actor in Hindi films. Rishi Kapoor will be remembered for playing the romantic hero, and some of his box office hits in which he was the solo male lead were Bobby, Laila Majnu, Rafu Chakkar, Sargam, Karz, Prem Rog, Nagina, Honeymoon, Chandni, Hina, Bol Radha Bol and Ye Vada Raha. Rishi Kapoor was a popular actor through the 1970s to the 1990s. In his later years, he was known for his character roles in movies like Hum Tum, Agnipath and Kapoor and Sons, among many others. He was last seen in The Body alongside Imran Hashmi. He has acted alongside his colleague Amitabh Bachchan in films such as Amar Akbar Antony and Coolie, and more recently in 102 Not Out, which although was not a box office or critical success, it was a delight for viewers to see the two legends on screen together in their sunset years. Amitabh Bachchan in fact was one of the first Bollywood celebrities to condole Rishi Kapoor's death, writing that he's destroyed. Rishi Kapoor was known for his ability to charm audiences who lovingly called him Chintu, and lately for being uncensored about his opinions on Twitter. His autobiography is also titled Uncensored, and he did make some shocking revelations in it as well, including the fact that he paid to win a Best Actor award for Bobby. Later, he admitted that he felt ashamed for his actions, and in all probability the man offering him the award was a con guy. However, this same quality of being brutally honest and yet charming has won Rishi Kapoor more fans over the years than any award that can measure his success. Rishi Kapoor is survived by his wife Neetu Singh, son Ranbir Kapoor, and daughter Riddhima Kapoor. The family, in a statement, asked audiences to remember Rishi Kapoor with a smile and not tears.